Alright, so I know it's been a while and I'm struggling to get time to do these videos now at the minute. But I thought I'd do, yeah, since I've got the time today, I can do a little test today. Let's have an open this. It's got the Vigilon here. This is just the panel downstairs. It's only got one set of batteries in because I'm lazy and cheap. And I can't be asked to buy it once, but I'll try get some at some point. It's an older Vigilon. It's from 2004. This one, it's got the old cards in and all that, so it only runs S3 sounders, the older type S3 sounders, and obviously the 3400 stuff. I've got a 3400 detector there. This is it'll run 34000 as well, but I've just got the S3 in it. That's it at the minute. So yeah, we'll give this call point a test just here. It should all go into alarm. In fact, I'll show you around the system first because I haven't done it in a while and it's pissing down outside, so we won't be going to the shed yet. So this heat detector here is an 8-go heat detector which is linked to the alarms, which is nice. Yeah, we've got a CO alarm. It really is pissing it down. Look there. Yeah, heat detector there. We'll go further. We're going to here. So this room has an 8-go alarm as well. It's like a battery wireless thing that's linked to the fire alarm system as well. We've got an S-Quad sounder voice strobe in here. In here we have same S-Quad sounder voice strobe. Upstairs in the landing, come on, we have another 8-go which has nothing to do with the fire alarm system, that one. This one's a voice sounder S-Quad, no strobe on this one. Voice sounder strobe as well. Yeah, this used to be the 3421, but I decided to take it down because I didn't want the sun bleaching it because it's a brand new one. So yeah. So voice sounder strobe here. Vigilon panel there. I think I've showed the voice sounder strobe. Yeah, I can't remember, but there's one there. Call point. Let's come up. What's in here? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got the shed as well, but I'll show you when we're going there in a second. I think I will start with this call button here. So put the key in. Activate that. There's that. We'll do this one as well. And grab a pole for this one because it's a bit high up. I can't reach it. Ow. That's it. And that just goes, it goes smoke and heat detectors for that one. But I thought to demonstrate how that they work. Okay, we're at the shed now, so this has a Gent Nano panel in. We've got S-Quad up there, sound voice strobe, call point here. So what I'll do is I'll activate that call point. It should go weaving. Door closer I've got switched off because I don't want that open, but it would go with the alarm if I had it enabled. So yeah, that light comes on as well. And that's it.